Being brought forward now, Viva Forever. Now, final inside, all set. Final race. The final race here at Santa Ana Park is underway now. One slot, that is Quiet Tech. We have All Heart, Pastelin running by the Camps. EJ Smile running in third. Loomis moving up Badral now is runner number 1, Inggit Ka Lang. Then followed by Viva Forever, Manlot Island, and Quiet Tech. Past the half-mile distance they running, we have Inggit Ka Lang, the leader by about 3/4 of Palenka. Moving up in between runners comes EJ Smile, and on the outside is the favorite All Heart. Running in fourth comes Viva Forever, Blue Miss Quiet Tech, and Manlot Island. Reaching the last 450, EJ Smile takes the lead over All Heart. Moving up on the outside, Viva Forever, Inggit Ka Lang shuffle back in fourth, and Blue Miss. And as they turn for home, a long shot, EJ Smile by about 2 lengths. Giving once again for the outside comes All Heart. Viva Forever is in third. And down the stretch they come, EJ Smile, All Heart for the outside. It's now EJ Smile, All Heart is on the outside, and down to the finish. EJ Smile, All Heart giving the final burst of energy, and at the wide, All Heart, a long shot. Then comes EJ Smile, All Heart, Viva Forever, Blue Miss, Manlot Island.
Okay, a long shot number 5, EJ Smile crossing the wire first.